You're looking at a real-life ambush, and the driver's quick thinking just saved their lives. In April 2021, two cars full of robbers armed with AK-47s attacked this armored Toyota Land Cruiser near Pretoria, South Africa. They thought it was carrying cash. They opened fire, hitting the vehicle over 30 times, but the bulletproof glass held. The driver, Leo Prinsloo, a former Special Task Force officer, stayed completely calm. He swerved through traffic and escaped, without firing a single shot. No one was hurt, nothing was stolen, and the whole thing was caught on dash cam. Subscribe for more insane real-life moments caught on camera.